judge temporarily blocking President Donald Trump's pause on federal aid spending.
The freeze was set to effect today at 5 p.m. A two-page memo from the White House sparked confusion among members of the government, state programs, and nonprofit organizations Monday night. It asked agencies for details on more than 2,600 programs that may not align with the president's agenda, including the WIC nutrition program for pregnant women and infants and school meals for low-income students. Just before the judge's ruling, Georgia Representative Rich McCormick expressed his support for the move. Here's what he had to say about the possibility of cutting the funding for free breakfast and lunches. It came during an interview with CNN's Pamela Brown just hours ago.
When you talk about school lunches, hey, I worked my way through high school. I don't know about you, but I worked since I was, before I was even 13 years old. I was picking berries in the field before we had child labor laws that precluded that. I was a paper boy. And when I was in high school, I worked my entire way through. You're telling me that kids who stay at home, instead of going to work at Burger King and McDonald's during the summer, should stay at home and get their free lunch instead of going to work? I think we need to have a top-down review. This gives us a chance, though, to see where is the money really being spent.
Georgia Democrats, on the other hand, are coming out strongly against the move. Senator Jon Ossoff saying in a statement, quote, "The president's suspension of federal grants for Georgia threatens chaos. This erratic decision risks serious damage to health care, education, public safety, and local governments across our state." Also, we're hearing from Atlanta Mayor Andre Dickens, who says the freeze is affecting Atlanta Housing and Partners for Home, which he says currently cannot access portals they use to pay people's rents and cover operational costs. He also expressed concerns for more than 18,000 residents who rely on housing vouchers to pay rent. The memo from the White House indicated that the freeze will not impact Medicare, Social Security benefits, or government assistance that goes directly to individuals. The judge's order pushes this plan out by a week and sets a hearing for Monday morning.